Welcome friends, my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss current affair for banking related question. It's very important and fast revision this channel give. Please subscribe this channel for everyday current affair banking question in short form with revision with explanation friends. Now start. Question number 1. Which bank has launched the digital LPS for MSME and agri products? Option BOI, S Bank, YES Bank, SBI Bank, IDBI Bank. Answer is D, IDBI Bank. Its explanation: the IDBI Bank has announced the launch of its fully digest loan processing system, offering over 50 products to MSME and agriculture sector. Question number 2. Which bank has launched the digital platform Merchant Stack to provide banking service to retail merchants? Friend, this question are very important. Please tick mark this. Option SBI, ICICI Bank, DBS Bank, BOI Bank. Answer is B, ICICI Bank. Its explanation: the ICICI Bank has launched the digital platform Merchant Stack to provide banking service to retail merchants. Question number 3. The Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology is managed by which organization? Option RBI, SEBI, SBI, NPCI. Answer is A, RBI. Its explanation is the IDRBT is an arm of the Reserve Bank of India. Question number 4. The DigiGold is a digital platform to enable investments in gold through digital mode. The platform has been launched by which bank? Option SBI, Airtel Bank, Payment Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Its answer is B, Airtel Payments Bank. Its explanation: the Airtel Payment Bank has launched DigiGold, a digital platform for making investment in gold by its customers. The RBI has cancelled the license of United Cooperative Bank. Question number 5. Bank Limited based in which state? Option Kerala, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. Its answer is C, West Bengal. Its explanation: the Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of United Cooperative Bank Ltd by Bagnan, West Bengal, as it does not have adequate capital and earning prospects. Question number 6. The HDFC Bank has predicted the GDP growth rate of India for FY22 at how much percent? Option 8%, 11%, 9%, 10%. Answer is D, 10%. Its explanation is the HDFC Bank has projected Indian GDP growth rate for FY22 at 10%. Question number 7. The HDFC Bank has cut Indian growth projection to how much percent for FY22? Option 10%, 11.2%, 9.5%, 9.9%. Answer is A, 10%. Its explanation: the HDFC Bank has cut India's growth projection to 10% from 11.5% for the current financial year, citing the adverse effect of the second COVID-19 wave. Question number 8. Which bank has acquired a 10% stake in CSC German e-store? Option IDBI Bank, HDFC Bank, RBL Bank, ICICI Bank. Answer is B. Its explanation: the HDFC Bank has acquired a 10% stake in CSC Grameen e-store, a special purpose which run by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for an undisclosed amount. Question number 9. Which bank announced the launch of the I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India? Option Jana Small Financial Bank, Fincare Payment Bank, Payments Bank, ICICI Bank. Answer is A, Jana Small Financial Bank. Its explanation: the Jana Small Financial Bank has announced the launch of I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India. Question number 10. Indranil Pan has appointed as the chief economist of which bank? Option IDBI Bank, S Bank, HDFC Bank, RBL Bank. Answer is B, S Bank. Its explanation: the Vice Bank has appointed Indranil Pan as its chief economist. Pan joined the bank from rival IDFC First Bank. Question number 16. The RBI has constituted a committee to assist the RRA 2.0 to streamline regulation and reduce the compliance burden of regulated entities. Who will head the committee? Option Viral Acharya S. Jankirman, T. Rabi Shankar, Mahesh Kumar. Answer is B. S. Jankiraman. Its explanation: the RBI has constituted committee headed by SBI Managing Director S. Jankiram. The advisor group will assist the RRA 2.0 by identifying resolution guidelines and return that can be rationalized. Question number 17. Which of the following bank selected as a digital payment partner by the National Agriculture Market? Answer is option Axis Bank, Yes Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank. Answer is C. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Its explanation: the Kotak Mahindra Bank has been selected as a digital payment partner by the National Agriculture Market, a pan-Indian electronic trading portal from farm produce. Question number 18. The RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 3 crore on which bank? ICICI Bank, SBI, S Bank, DBS Bank. Answer is A. ICICI Bank. Its explanation: the RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 3 crore against ICICI Bank for a volatile normal related to classification valuation and operation investment portfolio by banks. Question number 19. What amount of liquidity support has been announced by the RBI for the small finance bank under a special long-term REPO repo operations to lend to MFIs and amid COVID-19 crisis? Option rupees 12,000 crore, 20,000 crore, 10,000 crore, 15,000 crore. Answer is C. 10,000 crore. Its explanation: a special long-term repo operation has been announced for small finance bank worth rupees 10,000 crore under a special long-term repo operation to lend by MFIs amid COVID-19 crisis. Question number 20. How much amount has been allocated by the RBI towards special on-tap liquidity facility announced by for bank to the second wave of COVID-19? Option 70,000 crore, 50,000 crore, 25,000 crore, 45,000 crore rupees. Answer is B. 50,000 crore. Its explanation: the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has announced a COVID-19 healthcare package of rupees 50,000 crore to entities for access to emergency health security during the second wave of COVID. फिनिश क्वेश्चन. दिस इज ए लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको पसंद आई होंगी वीडियो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दे और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दे ताकि आपको हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम में मिलती रहे. और फ्रेंड्स मैं ये चैनल पे करंट अफेयर रेगुलर करंट अफेयर डालता हूँ फ्रेंड्स, और वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट रहते हैं और हर एक लेक्चर मेरा फास्ट रिवीजन में होता है फ्रेंड्स, ताकि आपको ज़्यादा देखने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े, आपकी फास्ट रिवीजन हो जाए. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, गुड बाय, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.